Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, let me show you 5 easy ways to create a new folder on desktop in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So watch the full video till the end. So let's get started. Number 1. Using keyboard shortcut. For that, just click on any empty space on desktop and just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And now you can see a new folder appears instantly. This is the fastest and easiest way to create a new folder. Number 2. Using right-click method. For that, just click right-click on your desktop and just click New and select Folder. And now you can see a new folder appears instantly. This is the most common method, perfect for beginners. Number 3. From File Explorer menu. For that, just click on My PC to open File Explorer. Then go to your desktop and click New Folder from the top menu. And now you can see a new folder appears instantly. This method is useful when you're already working inside folders. Number 4. Using keyboard only. For that, just press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Then go to your desktop folder and just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And now you can see a new folder created instantly using keyboard only. This method is for users who want to work without a mouse. Number 5. Using command prompt trick. For that, just press Windows plus R and type CMD and press Enter to open command prompt. Now type CD desktop to move desktop folder, and then just type mkdir new and hit Enter. You can see here a new folder created on your desktop. You can use any other name of folder by replacing new with any other name. This is an advanced but powerful method. Now you know how to create a new folder instantly on your desktop. Now tell me in comment box, which method do you use most? Comment 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And if this helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.